everyone, this is Pranavi. Welcome to my channel. So today's topic is love yourself. So how to love yourself? When you like yourself, and first of all you need to accept yourself. You should reject your unhappy, and you should accept your happiness. So everybody will do mistake in their life and faults which they have done, and what the faults and the mistakes you have done, you should accept all those. You should convince to yourself, because everybody are having right to do mistakes. I mean to say, everybody unfortunately or by mistakenly they will do mistakes in everybody's life. This is a common in our human life. So you need to accept your unhappiness, and you should be happy, and you should make you to feel yourself happy. So then only you can love yourself. So when you doesn't love others, that means you are not loving to yourself. That will prove that you are not loving to yourself. So first of all you should maintain self loving, and you should love to yourself. Then only you can love our surroundings. When you want to gain love from others, love from particular person, and love from everybody, so just you should go near to the mirror, and you should love your reflection. You should accept your reflection, what the body with us, and the art the God has given to us. You should accept all those, then only you will accept others. So or else you will comment on others, because if you love to yourself, then you will come to know how to love others. If you doesn't love to yourself, then you will start unloving to everybody, then you will start hurting to everybody. When you will accept yourself, then you can accept others mistakes. When you will be happy, then only you can make others happy. When you will be unhappy, you can't even talk to others, because you are not loving to yourself. First, the main important thing in your life is that you should not compare to others. You are the person who loves to yourself, and you are the person who makes the miracle in the world, and you are the person who makes you best to yourself. After wake up in the early morning, you should try and trust, and you should be very truthful. Try and trust. First of all you should try to yourself, and then you can talk truth to everybody, and you can trust your God. So then only your success will be so much of near to you. Your success will be near to your foot. So spread your love to everybody. Wherever you go, they should gain your love, they should gain your happiness, and they should feel happy wherever you are going, and wherever you are present, your love should also present there itself. So then the mistakes and faults, then absolutely will be accepted by us, what the mistakes and faults which we have done by us. So main thing you should remember is that first of all you need to love yourself. Before going to love to others, before going to give your love to others, first of all we need to love to ourselves. Before loving to yourself, you can't love everybody, because if you doesn't have something, how can you give anything to others? Because if some other asks you anything, if you doesn't have that, how can you give you to others, to them? So if you are having love to yourself, if you are having love to you, you can give your love to others, and you can start loving others. Then only we will accept all the mistakes by others, and then only we will accept to ourselves. Your reflection is the main thing to love yourself. The art which is given by God, and the heart which is given by God, opportunities important which are given by God, those we should gain, and we should think twice. So before hurting others, you should think twice. If you could be in that place, how can you feel? You will accept yourself when you love yourself. So you should accept others when you love them. When you love yourself, the we can't get love for the worth or for the money. We can get easily love, and we can create our love. Your love makes so many of miracles in the world. So everybody You are beautiful to yourself. You know who you are, and you should love to yourself. Then only you can spread your love to everybody. That's the main important on the earth, to love ourselves and to love everybody. So thank you. If you like this video, just subscribe and share to everyone. Thank you so much for everyone.